Why do 75% of PC builders swear by these tools? Let's find out. First up, the trusty Phillips head screwdriver. This little guy is your best friend for almost all screws in your PC. Next, an anti-static wrist strap. Don't zap your expensive parts with static electricity. Trust me, this is a lifesaver. Need to handle tiny screws? Grab a pair of tweezers. They'll help you place those stubborn screws without a fuss. Also, don't forget some zip ties. These keep your cables neat and improve airflow. No one likes a messy case, right? For stubborn components, use a plastic spudger. It's perfect for prying open cases without scratches. Lastly, a good LED flashlight. It'll help you see everything clearly, especially in those dark corners of your case. So there you have it. Screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, tweezers, zip ties, plastic spudger, and a flashlight. Get these tools, and you're ready to start building your dream PC. Happy building, and may your frame rates be high and your temperatures low. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC building tips.